The FSA 60R is our lightweight and most powerful grass trimmer in STIHL's AK system of battery tools. It's ideal for trimming lawn edges and small areas of lawn in medium to large sized gardens, and can trim up to 1250 metres of lawn edges on one single charge of the AK20 battery. It has a sturdy aluminium shaft, a loop handle here and an easy to use operating handle. Just push this switch forward and then press these switches to start the machine. This design also means it's just as easy to use either right or left-handed. It has a metal spacer bracket here too, which can be used as a guide when mowing around trees or other obstacles. It comes fitted as standard with an AutoCut C 6-2 mowing head, which uses nylon mowing line. But you can also fit a PolyCut 6-2 cutting head, featuring polymer blades, which extends the working time from 25 to 40 minutes. For more challenging conditions, you could even fit a DuroCut 5-2 head, which uses DuroCut line pieces. These have a flexible core and a hard coating with cutting teeth, so these are ideal for mowing dense grass or light scrub. The batteries used in the FSA 60R are interchangeable with other tools in STIHL's AK system, such as hedge trimmers, chainsaws, blowers and lawnmowers. When using the FSA 60R, you should wear eye protection, a face shield, work gloves, snug fitting clothes and sturdy footwear. It's quite an operation, so no ear defenders are required. Quiet, lightweight and powerful, the FSA 60R is ideal for easy maintenance of your lawn. To find out more, visit stihl.co.uk or your nearest STIHL approved dealer.